In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Slack to Otter.ai. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Otter.ai application. If you're using a desktop, just launch it from your browser or click on the app icon, however you prefer to access it. The first thing you'll see is the main dashboard. Look towards the top left side of your screen. That's where the main menu is located. Go ahead and click on it to expand your options. Once you've done that, navigate yourself to Account Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your Otter.ai account. So, go ahead and select the Apps tab from the options available. This section will allow you to see all the integrations Otter.ai offers, which is super handy for maximizing your productivity. Now, from the list of available integrations, you're going to look for Slack. It shouldn't be too hard to find, but just take your time if you need to. Once you spot Slack, go ahead and click the Add button next to it. This action is going to initiate the linking process, which is exactly what we want to do here. After clicking Add, you'll be redirected to the Slack authentication window. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to enter your workspace URL. If you're not exactly sure what that is, it's typically the name of your workspace, followed by .slack.com. Once you've entered your URL, it's time to sign in to your Slack account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to input your email address and password associated with your Slack account. After signing in, Slack will ask you to grant specific permissions to Otter.ai. This step is crucial for a seamless connection. You want to make sure that Otter.ai has access to record your conversations and notes on Slack. Take a moment to review these permissions, and if everything looks good to you, go ahead and click the button to grant those permissions. After you've done all that, your Slack account should now be successfully linked to Otter.ai. Now, every time you're in a Slack meeting or a conversation, Otter.ai is there to help, recording and transcribing it for you. Isn't that awesome? With this link, you can easily keep track of your conversations and reference them later, making your workflow a lot smoother. Whether you're working on a team project or juggling tasks in different channels, having your notes organized can save you a ton of time. To wrap things up, remember, linking Slack to Otter.ai is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity. Make sure to explore other features Otter.ai offers, as it can really transform the way you manage your notes and meetings. If you enjoyed this video or found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks in the future. And don't forget to hit that like button. That's it for today.